Have you ever seen glowing letters that looks like jelly? Do you want to have a look immediately? Come with me. What's up, homie? This is Macy. Today, let me introduce our acrylic fauxneonsign to you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tip for growing your business. Let's go. See what's on my hand? The color of each letter can be different. Just like this. Its surface is 15mm clear acrylic. The base is 20mm stainless steel. The light strips are all waterproof. And the size of this one is nearly 120 centimeters. Any color, any shape can be customized. It is just one of our wide range styles. Can you imagine what styles we can make? Actually, we can not only give what you need, but also create effects you cannot imagine before. What you see is what you get, no tricks. Up to now, we have been making signs for 15 years. What separates us from others? It is standard, we persist. Customers choose us just for a simple reason: our quality, commitment, and innovation. If you haven't subscribed our channel, hit the button right now. Make your business great again. Sign your brand together.